for some fun in the sun?
Check it out.
Let's get in the water.
We got seagulls, sandpipers,
Clams and oysters.
all here in the Ipswich Bay, Massachusetts.
Let's go!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running.
Now that Wile E. Coyote went ziplining, I think it's my turn. Since I'm doing a show on adrenaline, I thought I'd do a little bit of research. I'm here with Sharon Clancy. She's the manager of Boundless Adventures here. This is a beautiful spot you got. What's going on here?
So we are a high ropes course zipline park, which means we have a bunch of obstacle courses out there with zip lines integrated into them. So basically you climb through a bunch of obstacles and then you hit a zip line, throw a trolley on and go for a nice zip.
So this is like being a little kid all over again then, right?
Pretty much, yeah.
I can't wait to go. Let's go have some fun. Ready?
All right, yep, let's do it.
Let's go to the next one. You ready? Come on, let's go, guys. That was a fast ride. Yes, this really is adrenaline. Ho, ho, ho. That's pretty cool. Got some good sliding in there. That was incredible. That was way cool. Great adrenaline. Thanks for watching. See you in a little bit, okay? All this for a TV show. Nice going, Popeye. Good idea about the roller coaster. Let's go! Here we are at Canobie Lake Park, getting ready to get the next part of our adventure. We're going to try a little bit more adrenaline, see if we can go from the zip line to over here and increase our heartbeat. Are you ready? Let's go! Ow! I don't have a heartbeat. Let's go see if we can get this thing pumped up. Ready? Let's go! am starving. So this is called what kind of ice cream?
Dippin' Dots.
Dippin' Dots, and it's kind of futuristic ice cream? I guess we got Dippin' Dots, futuristic ice cream. I've never tried it. I'm gonna dip in and see what's going wrong with the dots, all right? Well, Paul. Oh, it's really good. I suggest everyone has a Dippin' Dot. Yummy. Thank you. As I take the first step out, I can't stop smiling. Falling at 120 miles an hour, my heart keeps pace. The wind is racing past my ears. Pure joy erupts from no fears. I went through a cloud and a shiver could come. Back to the sun and adrenaline fun. Cool. Oh, God. Oh! That was adrenaline. Thank you very much. Very good. Bye-bye. Now I'm really hungry. Let's go see what everyone's favorite mermaid Cappy has cooked up for us. That was exciting. That was a lot of fun. I'm here with everyone's favorite mermaid Cappy and my favorite cousin Paul, and we're going to cook Paul's favorite dish, baked scallops. You guys ready?
Yes, we are.
Okay. So on Cappy, I have some melted butter here.
Yes.
And we have about 40 medium-sized scallops.
That's wonderful.
So
it's going to be fun to eat.
So how much butter did we use for 40?
A stick and a half.
Stick and a half. Did we
Yes.
put anything else with the butter?
Yes, you're going to put a dash of onion powder and a dash of garlic powder.
And honey?
And a touch of honey.
Okay, good.
Yes. You can do that now.
Okay.
If you want it. Yeah.
Dash.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
mine, yeah.
And make sure we get the right set.
I
Another dash.
think they already put the honey in, so
Okay.
you don't have to.
And next we have crackers.
Yes, you can undo those for me.
Okay. And we
Put them
have
in here.
a sleeve and a half of crackers.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Now, Paul, you're gonna take the smasher and smash them into fine pieces.
Okay.
I'm gonna let you do that.
Okay.
had my big stuff with the crumbs, have you?
I have not. I'm so looking forward to this.
Okay, they're nice and smashed.
Yeah, they're pretty smashed up. Yep.
Okay, you can put them right in here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Crumbs in.
Yeah.
But next the butter
Yeah,
mixture
you
goes
can
in.
mix it right into here, honey. Yeah.
There we go.
Get it.
And we'll grab a spoon and we'll mix
Yeah.
it all up.
See? Mix it all up, so all the crumbs. Okay, now Paul, you can put the crumbs on the scallops for me.
Okay. And then what should we be reheating the oven at right about now? What temperature?
Oh gosh, 400.
400, all right?
400.
And how long will we cook this for?
About no more than 25 to, we'll check it at 25 minutes.
Okay. Just about have them all covered.
Yeah.
And I think we're ready to get it in the oven and eat.
Climb up.
There you go.
This is the baked scallops with Meme's crumbs recipe.
Let's eat!
Let's see.
Let me get some.
See y'all next time.
Love ya.
Love ya.
Bye-bye, we'll do it again.
I know, I forgot my lines.
Okay.
I'm gonna go see y'all next time.
Doing the southern accent. Right, yeah. Yeah.
And then we're gonna say bye-bye, then blow a kiss, ready?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
See y'all next time.
Love you.
Bye-bye!